Welcome to my festive series where I'll be sharing lots of delicious little treats that you can enjoy yourself or with your family, and if you're lucky then with your friends. And I'm going to start this with delicious potato and peas cheesy balls. And for these crunchy delicious potato bites, I will be using Desiree potatoes. They are my favorite potatoes. They are perfect all-rounders and they are from Provenance Potatoes. And these guys are actually based in Kent, and I have personally visited the farms where these potatoes are being grown, and it's actually quite amazing. So if you are going to look for these potatoes, then these are available in your local farm shops and local shops. And you can check out all the details in my profile linked to their social media and their website. So I've just got a pan of cold water, and I'm going to cut these into small pieces and boil them until they are nice and soft. These are my favorite potatoes to use because they are amazing all-rounder. You can boil them, fry them, make curries with them, mash them. They are just perfect. So I'm using 4 of these today, and I am just going to boil them. So while our potatoes are boiling, I have got another pan here, and it's got some boiling water, and here I've got 120 grams of frozen peas, which I'm just going to cook for a couple of minutes in this water, just a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to drain these. These haven't taken long to cook at all, so just to check they're cooked. Yeah, it's nice and soft, so I'm going to drain these and let it cool for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to peel these potatoes and then mash them and add some lovely spices. And I'm just going to, you can mash these, I'm just going to grate these very quickly. I'm going to add the spices. So in goes a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and also the cool down peas. And I'm just going to bring it all together, mash it all up. Smells so good. Once this is mixed, I'm just going to take one portion, like a lemon size portion, and here I have got some mozzarella. You could use any other cheese of your choice. I'm just taking a small piece and then putting it in, just going to seal it up, and that's it. Here I have got 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour to this. And slowly I'm going to add a little bit of water at a time, just to get the right consistency, just like, you know, a thin pancake batter really. So best is to add little water at a time so that you can stop when you have reached the right consistency for this paste. And that is looking pretty good. It is a nice smooth paste, and that should work really well. So we get one of these potato balls, just dip it in the flour mix. That's why it cannot be too thick. I just want a thin coating so that the breadcrumbs will stick to it. You can also use egg if you are okay with egg. Then instead of flour mix, you can use just some whisked up egg. I'm trying to keep it vegetarian, so which is why I'm using the flour. And I've just got some hot sunflower oil in here. Just going to fry until these are golden. And once they're golden, you know, it's time to get them out. Ooh, that's the cheese. This sound is so lovely. And some of them have got the cheese oozing out, which, you know, couldn't be a bad thing really. We're just looking for a lovely golden color, and then we're going to plate these up. And here are the cheesy potato and pea balls. I'm serving this with just some coriander and mint chutney. You can serve it with ketchup, or you can serve it with any other chutney of your choice. And that is perfect. It's very hot. I'm still going to try and eat these. Just taste testing for the others. That is so good. That is absolutely delicious. The breadcrumbs adding to the crunch, the potatoes and peas, I could taste the chaat masala in there, and the cheese is just an added bonus. I hope you will try these delicious little snacks this festive season. Sending you all lots of love, and bye for now.